YouTube, how are you guys? My name is MMasabOmair, and today in this brand new episode of my channel I'm gonna share some hardware tips, or I'm gonna share you guys that what gaming hardware do you need to build your gaming PC under $350. Yay, it's possible. So as you know guys, that gaming experience requires a high amount budget PC, that's obvious. And in this video I'm going to share my experience too, that I never got a best PC ever, and I used to play all the games on a low quality PC. So enough talking, let's begin. So the first thing is your processor, which is important. And the processor, you know about them, that there are a bunch of type of processor and with different price ranges. So for this low budget PC or this range, I'm gonna recommend Intel Core 2 E8600 3.3 GHz 6 MB cache L2, which will cost you $140, and it works pretty nice. The next thing is your motherboard, which would be MSI Intel H81 LGA 1150 DDR3 motherboard, and that motherboard surely will cost you up to $45. That's all. The next thing would be your graphics card, which would be ZOTAC GeForce GTX 750 Ti 2GB, and it would be DDR5 obviously, and that graphics card gonna cost you $100. The next thing is your RAM, and that RAM is called Crucial BALLISTIX, if I'm right, whatever. Crucial BALLISTIX port 4GB single DDR3, and that RAM gonna cost you $20. Yay! And basically the next thing is obviously your power supply, and that power supply is called ANTEC VP450 power supply, and the price range is $35. The last but not least thing is your casing, and as an advice I'm gonna say to you that you should not spend much money on your casing in this amount of your money or your range of gaming PC. So this casing would be ROSEWILL dual fan MICROATX mini tower computer case FBM01, and that casing will cost you $25. So this is all about your PC, and I'm sure that you can get your LED, which would be roughly about $15 to $20, and yep, that's all. And $15 to $20 LED would be perfect for this PC basically. So if you guys want to know more about that, or if you guys want more videos like that, let me know in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See ya.